back to my channel. I am Snowmoon, and on this channel we do unboxings, we do gaming, we do lots of fun stuff. So if that sounds fun, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that YouTube stuff. So today we're going to do an unboxing from Ipsy. Now Ipsy is, this is my glam bag, and Ipsy is $10 or $12 a month. It's like $120 for the year. And it gives you 5 sample items sent to your doorstep and a fun little bag. And I really like this bag. Plus you can buy add-ons, which I did. So this is the March, and it says 100 Ipsy on the back. Glam bag. So this is the 100th Ipsy bag that they have done. And so this month is a very big celebration. I did buy a couple of add-ons, so I'll make sure I add those. I'll tell you which ones are add-ons if I remember. But I should, because I got my little bag. So they said this month they're going to send us 6 items instead of 5 for this. It is Celebrate You March 2020. And it has a giveaway for days on the back that you can participate in as well. So, this month they sent me, let's see what we got. Girl, a Tick liquid mask eyeliner. Yeah, Precise Mark eyeliner. Love that look. A full size is $20. Of course, this is just a sample. I'm not going to swatch this because if I get too many, I might pass this along to someone. I'll wait and see. The next item I got in this is by Sugar. It is called Uptown Girls Light Lengthening Eyelash Mascara. It's got a nice wand, but it's mascara. I get these all the time. This full size is $12.99. They say this is full sized. This is $20 full sized. If that's full size, that's scary that you would spend that much on that. The next item is by Wonder Beauty. It is an eyeshadow in the color Bouquet. How do you get in this? Oh, there's the tape. Kind of a goldy color. I'll do a small swatch on the back of my hand. It's kind of copper gold. It's kind of pretty. Wonder Beauty. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $25. The next item is by Fox Bay. It is a replenishing hair mask. It says, "Don't hate, hydrate." It smells good. It smells kind of vanilla-y. Shea butter. That makes sense. But it says healthy hair coming right up. This hair mask is your go-to to heal dry, damaged strands after a season of cold. And this is a deluxe sample. Full size is $28.95. The next item is by Hannah Lee, and it's a lip balm in the flavor Island Mint. This is full size and it's $6. And the last item that I got is, I don't know which one. I think it's this one. It's a Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. Now, they had another brush that was in the, yeah, this is the All Over Shadow. So, this is what they gave me, and it's really nice. I've gotten their brushes before, and I went ahead and picked up during this the add-on to it to add this brush, which is the Precision Eyeshadow brush, because I didn't really get the eye brushes. I got more of the things. So I got this for $3. And I got a Luxie brush for $3. And this one is a Pro Precision, but it's really nice and fluffy. And so I got that one in the $3 sale. And of course, this little thing to put on my bag that says Queen. So, and that's my add-ons for this month and my Ipsy bag. So they say the brush is worth $15, $18. So, and I got 2 different ones. So I'm pretty sure that I got my money's worth right there in brushes. But like I said, it's nice to get these little things. I'm going to pull out that chapstick and use it. I'm sure it's not called a chapstick. It's probably called like some lip balm. Yeah. But I do like getting all this stuff. It's fun. Don't mind my cold sore. It popped up. No, I don't have a cold. It just popped up. Ooh, that's really flavorful. So all in all, I do like my little Ipsy bag. It's really pretty. I do like the teal with the green. I think this is one of the prettier bags. I mean, I have gotten a few bags that I really do like. I also do like the glittery and the felt ones, but I also kind of like the colors of this one. It's just really kind of funky and out there. So I left all my links in the description if any of my boxes sound good. Go ahead and give them a look-see. So there's links down there to everything, including Twitter and Instagram and my Facebook page for the for the YouTube channel. All that's down there. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to do a gaming video today, and I do have another unboxing and possibly one in the mail. So, a lot to do today. So I will see you in the next video. I heart your all's faces. Bye.